Most people don't know that they can actually use Google and this free AI tool to make over $100 in less than 30 minutes. Earning $100 every 30 minutes without any special skills and without spending a single dime sounds impossible. Well, today, I'm going to show you how you can do this for free using just Google. Yes, you heard that right. Stick with me until the end because I'm about to reveal a step-by-step method to make money online in 2 to 5, setting the context. Appears on screen, sitting comfortably in front of a computer. Welcome back to the channel, eFinance Fixer. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on ways to make money online. Now, I'm sure you've heard of people making money online, but how can you do it? And more importantly, how can you do it without any investment or complicated systems? Well, in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to earn $100 every 30 minutes with Google, and yes, it's completely free. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to earn a side income, this method works for anyone, and you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Cut to screen recording showing Google search. Let me start by saying that this method is simple and effective. What we're going to do is leverage Google's search engine and use a few other free tools that are out there, all while keeping everything 100% legit. Here's the deal: we're going to focus on Google Opinion Rewards and a few other little-known platforms that pay you for your opinions, completing simple tasks, and even using Google's own products. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Google Rewards. This is a free app that anyone can download on their phone, and it pays you for answering short surveys. The best part: these surveys only take a few minutes to complete, and you get paid in Google Play credits or PayPal Cash. Cut to screen showing the Google Opinion Rewards app interface. Scrolling through surveys, here's how it works. After you install the app, you'll get notifications when there's a new survey available. Each survey takes just a few minutes, and you can make anywhere from 10 cents to $1 per survey. Now, let's say you complete 10 surveys a day. That could easily add up to $10 to $15 a day, and that's just one part of the process. Keep in mind, the more surveys you complete, the more you'll be invited to participate in. It's a cycle of easy cash. If you do this consistently every day, you could easily reach $100 every 30 minutes, but that's just the beginning. Let me show you the next step. Step 2. Google's affiliate programs. Did you know that Google has its own affiliate programs where you can earn money by promoting Google products? You can sign up for Google AdSense or use the Google Ads affiliate network to promote products like Google Workspace, Cloud Storage, and even the Google Pixel. Show example of someone setting up an affiliate link and earning commission. All you need to do is share your affiliate links on your website, social media, or even within communities related to Google products. Every time someone clicks on your link and buys a product, you make a commission. This can easily add up to $100 in no time. Step 3. Google Search Engine Jobs. Google Search Engine Evaluator Jobs. These are work-from-home positions offered by companies Google partners with. You don't need experience, just a good internet connection and the ability to evaluate search results for relevance. You can find these jobs on job boards like Lionbridge, Appen, or directly from Google's partner websites. These jobs can pay anywhere from $10 to $20 per hour. And most evaluators report that they can complete tasks in 30 minutes to an hour, depending on the complexity of the task. If you work just 1 or 2 hours a day, that's already a nice side income that adds up quickly. Step 4. Free online tools and websites. Let's talk about other free tools and websites that Google uses to generate income. Sites like Swagbucks, Inboxdealers, and Amazon Mechanical Turk. These platforms reward you for completing small tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, testing apps, and more. Host on screen with phone in hand, showing Google Opinion Rewards app. Ms. reward you for completing small tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, testing apps, and more. Integrate your Google account to boost your earning potential. Many of these tasks only take a few minutes, and you can do them during breaks in your day. Bonus tip: Google Ads for your business. Cut to host on screen with a whiteboard, illustrating how to use Google Ads for passive income. Now, here's a bonus tip. For those of you who are serious about building a long-term income, you can also use Google Ads to promote your own business or website and drive traffic to products you're selling. Once your ad campaigns are set up, they can run automatically, generating passive income even while you're sleeping. Cut to graphics showing how ads generate clicks and sales. By using Google Ads effectively, you can attract more customers and boost your earnings significantly, and it doesn't require a large budget to get started. Roles, conclusion, and call to action. Host back on screen, smiling and excited. Ed, there you have it for powerful ways to earn $100 every 30 minutes with Google for free in 2024. From taking simple surveys to using Google's affiliate programs, search engine, evaluation jobs, and other money-making websites, you have everything you need to start earning today. The key is consistency and finding what works best for you. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment telling me which method you're going to try first. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay productive and keep earning. Host on screen with phone in hand, showing Google Opinion Rewards app.